Hi, this is Menyuna and this is my first video, so I'm super nervous, but I thought why not do my most of the.
No, I was giving Dilasa.
I was just saying, how about I do one of the things which I do, which is skincare and hair care. I wanted to try and review some products such as this new company on Instagram. At least I know this is new. I don't know if it's actually new.
But it was all around Instagram. It was on my Instagram ads with so many offers and whatnot. It was
My best friend's Instagram.
and it was on my WhatsApp. Everyone's Instagram was filled with this same company, and I was really intimidated. So I, like every same person, purchased it.
And let's try. So we have bought niacinamide face serum, an AHA BHA face peel, and my most favorite rosemary hair oil.
Judging in silence.
Now that's done. I had also went on the shopping spree on Nykaa. So I have bought my
List vitamin C, Derma sunscreen stick. Let's review it.
Let's try it for the first time. No, so people can know how stupid a grown-up can be.
It's
I
a,
actually open it without doing any stupidities.
it's a tear it open. I'm ripping it open.
Oh,
खुल गया.
look like a gift box. It's very cute.
Oh, very beautiful.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
I like the packaging.
It has aloe vera juice, fermented sugar, sugarcane moisturizer, fermented sugar moisturizer, salicylic acid, marine salt, coconut and palm derived antimicrobial, fermented corn derived water softener.
Now that if you're done listing the ingredients, which I didn't even got understood.
First, let's try this one.
This is a step-by-step thing that you do.
I think you just put it. You just.
Oh.
So you face wash. So you face wash, then you face peel, then you put serum on top of your skin,
Serum is this.
and then you put moisturizer. I'm putting the peeler. I don't
Should we
know.
not-
That is supposed to be the last part.
Is it?
Huh? Face mask is the last part. We are gonna peel our face. Like the smell is super duper.
What is happening with you?
Oh, hold on, bro.
It was really strong. It was really strong. Dude, it is making me realize how many cuts I have in my face, which I didn't even realize.
I'm not using it though.
I am gonna use it. It's nice. It also has a very strong smell about it.
I was just seeing the right way how to do it.
It literally says wash your face and put it.
Okay.
Sometimes we need to take care of such beings. We need to put a very good protection program for them. We need to protect such endangered species.
You are feeling the burns. Not at all.
I had 3 drops of it as it said कि like put it in your palm, massage it and apply it. That's why I was checking on the website कि how do you apply it.
It didn't said it over here, okay? I'm not going to someone's website to check it out if I'm right or wrong.
As I am a rookie in everything, I
Okay, it
do try to
does
check
says.
things.
It does says. My fault, Relaire. My freaking fault. My fault. I didn't check it and I applied more than 3 to 4 drops. I think
Okay,
it
now
was
you have
like
to-
15 drops. My finger is itching.
Okay, now it has like slight tingles.
Yeah. It has a lot more tinglers for me because I applied 15 drops.
Okay, it says leave it not more than 10 minutes, rinse with cold water. अभी तो वही आ रहा है. Repeat every week. Without
We have like 6 minutes left. That's why I put on the camera.
we have to take care of such endangered species.
Excuse me, endangered species at the right way. Why you?
5 minutes later.
Time is done.
ये तो peel off तो हो नहीं रहा है जैसे normally peel off होता है.
उसके अंदर लिखा तो मुझे पानी से जाके पोंछना है.
I'm just gonna apply a little bit of ice.
I hope it helps.
Oh,
We
yeah,
might
ये तो
get to know about this like after a couple of views. That's what it is written. So let's see if it helps.
Brillare. You disappointed me.
Yeah, she's just sad about the fact that it did not came out like the satisfying peel off. Get a peel off mask then.
ऊपर से मुझे जला डूड, मुझे जला.
नेक्स्ट टाइम इसीलिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस अच्छे से पढ़ा करें ताकि ये जलन आपकी शक्ल पे ना हो. नेक्स्ट इज दिस नाइसिनामाइड.
पहले सनस्क्रीन लगाना है.
Oh,
This was traumatizing
fine.
but amazing.
अच्छा.
It's about damn time. For the sunscreen. I put moisturizer, like any type of moisturizing cream, before I put serums. Like मेरा तो वही चलता है. But Brillare thinks put serum before moisturizer.
They clearly wrote the instructions you didn't read.
I didn't have to be like that.
Because you're coming for the company which they did not had any issues of. You were too excited, like a child, and you just were like,
Because I expected to peel my skin off like a reptilian. Is it too much to ask?
is it also too much to ask for you to read the instructions next time?
By my own thing. Yeah.
With hyaluronic acid, ceramide, UV broad spectrum.
Don't care.
इसमें भी कुछ instructions होंगे पढ़ ले before you do something again.
No. I don't read instructions, I make them.
Yeah, and then put ice after having issue. And then blame the company for it. Sure.
I mean, it's not my fault. It's not my fault.
This was so nice and so smooth comparative to the hell of the peel off marks was. This was so nice.
With your skin, and now you're gonna have some problems.
How do you apply it on the top of the container? Dry liberals onto the skin and blend with fingers for even coverage and a sheer matte finish. Apply the sunscreen and stick at least 15 minutes for some exposure. Oh no. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, actually that ice that was supposed to be.
तो छोटू सा
No, we take Badusa. What? Huh? What? I'm gonna enjoy my drink by then. I know it's so bad to drink cold drinks at night, but मुझे वो पसंद है.
It's also wrong to like not read instruction, but you still do it. So I don't think cold drinks are no problem. I don't even know I agreed to do this out of my mind.
Because we purchase new products and हमने सोचा कि क्या करेंगे तो हम
You know, we should just write it sunscreen. Skincare gone wrong.
next.
What do you do next?
Next, you put serums.
Vitamin C. So which one is first? I guess you put first. According to the description, I put vitamin C first, then sunscreen, and then serum. No, if you put like vitamin C first, it makes your skin really dry and what. But you make up I have zero idea, so we are doing it. I'm not a pro. Wow, एक ही बारी में खुद यार दूर बच्चों.
Okay.
It says truth never damages a cause that is just by Mahatma Gandhi. By Mahatma Gandhi. Even the accent doesn't sound like it sound like that. So you take 2-3 drops and then you like do this on fingertips, and then you put it on your face. Check what's happening here. Nicely.
12 seconds later.
Why do they have such nice vials and like drops?
Because it's aesthetic.
Make me want to just not even touch it.
So this is minimalist vitamin C. So let's see. Don't do that. That is for morning things. You want your skin to also go and fall asleep with you.
At this point, only if I fall asleep, that's a good thing. I don't know about the skin thing. Oh, I'm showing you.
Just want 10 minutes.
Next.
Nice and mind.
So pretty. I don't think people can see that, but it's so pretty.
The way you perfectly try to put aching droplets.
Because I am the one who is bound to make a lot of mistakes and I don't want to. And this was expensive.
Actually, इसको palm पे लेना था. It's time for. Not for sneezing, that is.
20 minutes later.
Face mask?
Yes. But first, let's put last and foremost rosemary hair oil.
We can finish the skincare and then put it in the hair. No?
फिर उसके बाद तो आराम करना रहता है. After putting the face mask.
I like literally struggle for like 12 minutes with an aloe gel. Did I apply it a lot?
But आहा and बाहा ने मेरे उम्मीदें बहा दी. मेरे सपने बहा दिए.
She just read face peel.
Peel off is supposed to mean that.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
What does peel off means? Is it a peel off mask that means peel off mask? Or it is like peel off means just like peel off?
Peel off means peel off. Peel off means peel off. I like the niacinamide one. The peel off one burned. In
Because you
places
applied way more than it was supposed to be.
It burned the places it shouldn't.
Yeah, it just went like arson.
It burned the places I didn't expect it. It scarred me internally. Oh wow, it's beautiful. It's nice. Looks like
Practical applicator.
looks like a chess piece which was beheaded. What
Why
was-
did I smell it like that?
It's like regular smegular rose.
No, that's a good, but I don't understand why I smelled it like as if I'm gonna get like some kind of a whiff of perfume. Come on.
Yeah. Sorry guys, we're now in a commercial.
Not really.
It's not Brulaire anymore, it's Bring Raj.
She.
It's a Bring Raj.
Shut up.
You separate your hair in different section and just like put like in your scalp के अंदर. आप अपने बालों में ये क्या डालते हो? आपके बालों का राज क्या है?
कुछ नहीं करना. I swear to God, I was trying to think, what is this smelling like? It smells like Vicks.
Vicks उधर ही पड़ा है. It doesn't even smell a percentage like Vicks.
I know that smells like Vicks. Agar it smells
Nah,
like,
it smells
it's
like
Vicks.
rosemary. It smells like something
To me, it smells like Vicks. That's what I
Some-
said. I am a low man.
as if
Lee man.
chemical and herbal had like a mixed baby.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
My time to shine. I
Well,
look
blame me.
homeless.
Talk about it.
Does witchcraft as a side business.
Yet wears a t-shirt like a bohemian uncle. No, not so the bohemian uncle. An uncle on a Bahamas beach. Wearing like the most beachy t-shirt possible with daisies and
It's nice, it's oversized, okay. It's good to have an oversized size for an oversized person. This one was nice. I really like the oil,
Mm-hmm.
but I can't say for sure because I'm not a rosemary oil specialist. So buy at your own risk. But if it regrows my receding hairline like an uncle,
So you
I,
don't just dress like one.
I'll let people know. Relay works or nah. But for the time being, except of that aha baha wala peel off, which bahawfied my entire sapne, inspiration, desperation, everything, with burning my skin because of my own stupidity. But still,
Thanks for accepting.
but still,
Really, thanks for accepting. Oh my god.
but still, even though I did that, other products like niacinamide and the rosemary oil is really nice. Don't you start speaking about oil texture, ma'am. It is like light comparative to other oils, and at least I have seen this much in rosemary oil that it is non-sticky, and I like it like that. That is the best thing, that it is non-sticky and it's not irritating. Nice oil fresh. I scanned nothing. I scanned nothing.
That's what it is.
I learned from my mistakes. That is, if I want to.
Now, which one do you want?
I want Pond's because I want to brighten up myself.
That was only for no reason. That's why you like brains. Human brain. Well, like saying that there is a place for it. There is no place for it. It's always the giveaway of it.
Seeing so many Reddit stories nowadays. Uncanny.
You're not gonna put this on internet, no?
No. Nothing. Nothing. Saying you. आजकल तो कोई विश्वास भी नहीं करता है इंसानों का. What did you just say?
Shoot, this is so cold.
Be thankful I didn't put it in refrigerator.
Only sit under the AC and put this. It's as good as being in the refrigerator. Hmm.
Oh my gosh.
हाँ वहाँ का इसमें मजा ले लेना.
अरे नहीं यार, वो जब चमड़ी छिलती है ना तो अलग ही मजा आता
हाँ
है.
तेरी चमड़ी तो छिली थी जो तूने हरकत की थी उसके बाद.
It is satisfying nevertheless.
Your face is so छोटू.
I know.
ये लोग लोग पागल.
हाँ यार, एक तो ऊपर से है ना. Only the dark parts are like our eyes, nose, and like the lips.
Oh, it's just a white
It
one.
looks like you wore a second skin. कि स्किन के ऊपर स्किन, like Texas Chainsaw Massacre के जैसे.
And the mummy. You know, you're also having that serum of your mask and the coke all together as a mixture.
There is a big hole. Can't you see?
Didn't the serum got on your lips? Cries and small lips. Uh, I look really mundane and cute.
I'm gonna cut this.
Why?
I'm like one of those people who has to cut out their marks so many times.
People cut their mask.
Mm-hmm. They cut their marks.
What?
Cause like वो बहुत बड़ा होता है उनके फेस के लिए फिर तो वो लोग ओवरलैप करते हैं मास्क को मेरे को भी
I'm not
बहुत
the only one जिसको कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है.
some people have broad faces no ज़्यादातर broad face के हिसाब से बनाते हैं squared
Thanks for
faces
me.
for what
I said thanks for saying that I have broad face that I should lose weight.
no not like that face shape के हिसाब से I'm saying dumb this
It does
looks
look
like
like-
as if I'm like वो कोई तो एक मूवी थी ना I forgot like it has like two
in there. And वो twins of the master there. She's like some favorite, like some famous actors or something. And she was gone under surgery for some reason. And she's like wearing this like white marks every single time on her face. So basically, yeah, she's like 20% this mark on her face. The children are suspecting ये हमारी मानी है.
पहनती है ना मार्क्स तो वैसा लग रहा है
Isn't it but natural to look like that?
मतलब
I say, isn't it but natural to look like that?
कैसा बटना actually
It does look like as if we have something and we have put some kind of a paper on top of our face.
पेपर क्यों बोल रही दिस इज शीट मास्क शीट मास्क शीट मास्क तो आज हम अपना कंक्लूड करते हैं द फर्स्ट वीडियो वी एवर मेड टुडे टुगेदर फॉर यूट्यूब and see you guys the next time. My sheet marks are coming off.
You want to put it on YouTube?
I'll edit you out.
That was a lie.